So I went couponing at CVS today, and these are the deals that I came across. Suave is having a deal. If you buy 2 of their men's hair care products, all you have to do is pay $6, and in return, you get $3 in extra care bucks. I do have $2 off coupons for 1 men hair care products, making that $4 just for 2. I do get back a $3 extra care bucks, so it makes my official out of pocket 50 cents a piece or $1 for both. Tresemme also have a deal where you buy 2 and you spend $10. There's also a digital for when you buy 2, you get $2 off. So I do have a $4 off of 2 Tresemme shampoo or conditioner coupon, as well as a $2 off of 2 Tresemme hair care coupon that I got from the red box. In total, that's $6 worth of coupons, making my total for that $4. So that's $2 a piece, or $4 for both. Alright, so the next deal that we're going to do is the Crest deal. Crest is having a deal where you spend $6 for 2. I did plan on using my $1 off of 6 toothpaste coupon that I got from the red box, my $1 off of 1 Crest toothpaste. I had 2 of those, as well as my $3 off of 2 Crest toothpaste. And that one was a digital one. That is $6 worth of coupons, making everything free, plus a $3 moneymaker. The last 2 deals that I'm going to do is going to be on Kotex. I'll be buying 2 of the pads as well as 2 of the tampons. They're both on sale for 2 for $8. So if you buy 2, you get $2 back in extra care bucks. I do have 2 $2 off coupons when you buy 1. So that's $4 worth of coupons, making my new total $4. But since I'm getting $2 back in extra care bucks, I'll be paying $1 a piece, or $2 for 2. I do have a $2 off extra care bucks that I do plan on using somewhere throughout this transaction. Okay, so now I'm home. I can show you guys the official breakdown of everything. In total, I did have 3 transactions. My first transaction was with the men's Suave shampoo and conditioner, as well as the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and the Kotex pads. The Suave was 2 for $8. The Tresemme was 2 for $10. The Kotex pads were 2 for $8. I did have 2 of the $2 off of 1 Kotex pads coupons, making that $4. The Tresemme shampoo and conditioner was 2 for $10. I did have a $4 off of 2 Tresemme coupon, as well as a $2 off of 2 select hair for Tresemme and Dove, and I got that from the red box, making that $4. And the Suave men was 2 for $6. With that one, I had a $1 off of 1 Suave men's hair care. I had 2 of those, making that one $4 as well. So for each of them, I had to pay $4 a piece, making that a total of $12. I did end up using my $2 extra care bucks that I had from a previous purchase on this, making that $10. I did also sign up for the Care Pass, meaning that I had $10 extra to spend that I added on to this, making my total out of pocket $0 plus a $5 moneymaker. So this is the coupon. This right here is $12 worth of coupons plus the $10 Care Pass. All I paid was the tax, and I got $5 worth of care bucks. My next transaction is the Crest toothpaste. They are on sale for 2 for $6. Now this transaction was all types of messed up because I did have 2 of the $1 off 1 coupon, that didn't go through, so they did end up changing the price of one of the Crest. And I also had a $1 off of $6 toothpaste that I got off the red box, and that did not come off. I did end up paying $1 rather than everything being free, but I am fine with that. So I paid $1 out of pocket and received a $3 moneymaker. My last transaction was the Kotex tampons. I did take the $3 extra care bucks that I got from the toothpaste and used it on this. This was on sale for 2 for $8. I had $2 off of one coupon, as well as the $3 extra care bucks, making my total $1. So I paid $1 for both, and I got my $2 extra care bucks just for buying two. So in total, everything came up to $3.81 with $7 of extra care bucks. Thank you guys for watching, but before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys next time.